Hi, I'm Kate and this is a quick review of this amazing handheld cleaner I got from Amazon. So it comes with a range of different heads. I'll just show you them all. So these are the 4 different fabric heads. You've got like a fibre one, a fluffy one for sort of softer surfaces, a sponge, and then a more abrasive one for tough stains. And then you've got 3 different brushes. So you've got a nice wide brush. I like this one most for just general surfaces, but then this narrower brush is great for getting in corners, especially in like the shower or in the kitchen. And then you've got this flatter brush too. I really like this one for the sink. So this is the handheld part of the electric cleaner. You can choose whichever head you want and they just slot in. You can also extend it by putting it on the pole. So this can unscrew like this. So you can choose what size you want it to be. And that just screws in the top, so you can either have it nice and small if you just want like a small handheld size, or if you've got harder to reach places that are quite high up or maybe behind the sofa or the couch, you can add the extension. It's really easy to charge and it holds its charge for a good amount of time. You just lift the tab here and you've got a USB-C hole. It comes with its own USB-C charger, which is great. And I'm going to give you a demonstration of how it works. So those are my thoughts, and I hope you found this review helpful.